springs out of here. Look at that. That is exactly what that's for. And if you don't have one, you either go borrow one or go buy one. Much rather buy one because you have your own. But this is where I'm stuck. Now, because these shoes did not come with any hardware kit, I had to reuse the tabs out of the old shoe. And in the process of beating that out, I managed to damage this. All right, so now this adjuster leveler will not stay in place. Okay. So guys, here's what they did. They got me a hardware kit. Okay, I suggested get me a hardware kit. Here's the kit, but there's only one problem. That piece is not in here. All right, the main piece I need is not in here, guys. Oh my freaking goodness. Now these are gonna come with the brake shoes. If you get OEM brake shoes, these little tabs are already built on the shoes. But the mere fact that I had to transfer this to this shoe mean there's a chance to damage it, because you have to beat it out of there, guys. And then you got to either press this in or beat it back in. So in the process, it got damaged. Whose fault is that? It's hard to say. Very hard to say. But I refuse to go back in like this. Look, this could come off while in use, and it can get real ugly. So I'm not taking that chance. So I have to go and find a different kind of hardware kit. I just need this pen. I can complete this job. I go so far, guys. If you're a newbie, take a picture of this before you take it apart. So hopefully you get it back together. All right, guys. All right, guys, here we're back with these brakes. And I remember where I left off at, guys. Yes, difference between, guys, aftermarket brake shoes, which I had to remove this old piece out of here and put in a new piece, and then put it in the new shoes, and in the process it was damaged, okay, making it unusable. Now guys, it's different between Mopar OEM. With OEM parts, guys, your brake shoes will likely, look at that, come with these already on it. Okay, this is a better quality shoe. I'm almost certain this was more cheaper or inexpensive. Now the material is material. In fact, the Mopar is actually a little thicker, guys. Y'all see that? The material is a little thicker, so you're gonna get more material, and you're gonna get the parts you need. All right, guys. So y'all remember I had to order a hardware kit. Here's a hardware kit that did not come with the piece in it. So I essentially had to break down. We couldn't even find these, guys. So we had to break down and order Mopar OEM shoes, which we probably should have did in the beginning. I would not have wasted 2 whole freaking days, guys. I've been waiting 2 whole days for this. This will not hold the emergency. It's for the adjuster, guys. The adjuster that activates or keep the adjusting mechanism in place. All right, so this is very important. I did not want to chance this. All right, guys, I got a lot of work to do. So let me get these rear brakes installed. Put my memory bank back to work. Make sure I can memorize. Like I said before, guys, never, ever, ever take both sides off. All right, I got work to do. Let's get it.